What's the sweetest part in kids' life? We get to eat lots and lots of chocolates. What do you do with the golden or silver foil after enjoying the chocolates? Hey viewers, here's something easy and interesting for you. Take a card, draw a circle of your desired size on it. On the other card, draw a triangle and a triangular design which you think goes well with the sun rays and cut it. This is how we make the stencils. Using the stencils, mark the rays around the circle as shown. And at the back of the same card, stick the golden foil of the chocolates you ate. Now, carefully cut the edges of the drawn line and turn it. If it is not stuck well, carefully stick the edges. With the help of a skewer or a stick, slightly bake the designs on the rays. Press gently with the object you drew just to make the impression of the circle. Wow! It turned out to be a beautiful sun. You can just stick it or hang it wherever you wish to see the glowing sun. On the other card, mark a semicircle and cut the same with the silver foil as well. Stick both the pieces. What did we just do? That's a moon. Isn't it an easy and joyful craft we did after munching on our favorite chocolates? Please give this a try and share the crafts you have tried using wrappers. This is a very small step for using our waste and also encouraging kids to think creative. Hope you liked this video. To continue the journey with us, please subscribe, like, hit the bell icon to get all our updates. Thank you.